Hi guys, hope you're good today. Today we're going to talk with you about what is a progressive web application means and how we can use them these days. Progressive application, or PWA, had been introduced by Google in 2015, and from that time it's becoming a huge hype around it. Today we're going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages, and also I will share my personal opinion about it. So in general, progressive web applications means that we can use our typical web technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, but making the applications which can be usable on mobile phones. Let's take a look on one example which my company did in past, and you can get that feeling how progressive application basically working and what benefits they are having for typical user. Let's take a look what we have in our browser. As you can see, it's typical website, pretty nice, responsive for mobile phones, and not something special, you know. You will not get that it's basically the progressive web application. But what we can do, we can go and click some arrow down and click another icon, call it add to home screen with plus. If you will do that, you will see the small title description, how the app will be called, and also the link, how it will be accessible. And you click in add. After that, you will see it on home screen, and basically you can just open it. And you will see that it's just normal app, you know, on your home screen, which can be accessible, but you didn't download it from App Store or Google Play Market. And here is the main advantage of it. The first one is that it will be less coding. We can reduce like 30% of our time and budget when we'll use our progressive web applications. Why? Because we don't need to have work on separate standalone apps for Android, for iOS, for web, whatever. We'll just make one solution which will be working on any phone, mobile, on any platform in general. The next one is that the app size is really small, right? I mean, it's clear. The third one is that we can use our typical search engine methods which we're using in our general web to promote our mobile apps basically. Also, the really important point that we can still use SSL certificate to protect our apps. And the last one I will say is that we can make connections with other providers using our typical API and just fetch the data through our typical requests. So the most disadvantages will come when you will need to have an access for our software layer of our phones, like chronometer or camera or etc, etc, etc. Some kind of that stuff, it's not really easy to get usable from our progressive application, but still there are some tricks how you can try to do that. Yeah. My personal opinion is that progressive applications are really cool technology which we can use on some apps, but still the users will not know that they can save it to home screen, and we should somehow teach them, because it's basically the advantage of it, and they should know it, right? In general, I will suggest right now to put the progressive applications in Cordova containers and put also them in App Store or Google Play Market, so you can have whole ecosystem in one time, in one technology set, easy to support, one budget for all platforms, cool technology web, easy. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really valuable for you and you get some cool insights out from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also feel free to drop any comments and questions down. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Have a nice day and talk to you soon. Bye.